Welcome to SPARKies. Let's learn about keyboard shortcuts and how to quickly auto-size rows and columns in 3 minutes or less. We'll start with some common keyboard shortcuts. Need a quick sum? Click the cell in which you want the sum to be, then the keys Alt and equal at the same time, followed by Enter. If you need to add a row to your spreadsheet, click on the number of the row you want to insert above. Use the keys Control, Shift, and plus. The same process can be used to add a column. Click on the letter of the column that will be to the right of the new column. Again, use Control, Shift, and plus. You can delete rows and columns just as easily. For a column, click on the column letter, then Control, minus. For a row, click on the row number, then use the keys Control, minus. If you're in a cell in the middle of a set of data, you can use the keys Control, space to highlight the column, or Shift, space to highlight the row. Adding a note to your spreadsheet can also be done quickly and easily. Click on the cell you want to contain the note, then Shift and the F2 key. Type your note and click outside the box. You can also auto-size rows and columns in less than 10 seconds. Just click on the small triangle in the upper left-hand corner of your spreadsheet. Then double-click on any line separating two rows. Do the same to auto-size your columns. If you have any more questions about keyboard shortcuts, contact your digital integration specialist.